Let's release the traumas that is bothering you. Any trauma that you would like to release from your life, let's work on it today. So breathe into your body, breathe into your mind, and try to understand which is one trauma that you would like to release today. Just feel it. Be with your body, be with your mind. Keep breathing and feel one thing that is coming up in your mind that you would like to release and overcome that pain forever. Just feel it. Keep breathing. Keep breathing into yourself and get ready to release the trauma of your life. Today, at this moment, choose to free yourself from the deep trauma that is bothering you in your life. So breathe and remember one trauma that you would like to release. Keep breathing. Keep breathing and allow yourself to feel that trauma as much as possible. Keep breathing. Slowly go back into the time. Breathe in your brain. Breathe in your throat. Breathe in your chest. Breathe in your legs. Allow your body to relax. That trauma is your past. So you don't have to feel the pain of the past. Just go there so that you can free yourself from that. Go back into the time and while going back into the time, remember what all has been caused and got damaged because of this trauma. So go back into the time now, go into that trauma and feel the pain that you have experienced in that trauma. Feel the situation and be into that. Get aware how your body felt when you were in pain. Get aware how your body was changing with the trauma outside you. First thing is feel your body. Feel that pain in your body. Slowly breathe into your body. Breathe into that pain and allow yourself to reverse. Go back into the time when the trauma didn't happen. Go back, slowly go back, go back, go back into the time when you were absolutely fine, absolutely better, and you didn't even know that this is going to happen with you. Be into that happy mode, absolutely fine, pain free, trauma free. Be with that. Go back and slowly, very slowly, take little moment ahead so that you can know what exactly changed within you before you have experienced this pain, the pain of trauma. So go into your body, go to the pain and repair those damages that has happened. Just let go, release it out, breathe into your pain and release it out. It's over. It ends now. You have suffered enough. Just breathe. Be with it. Keep breathing. Allow this pain to not enter your body now. You have suffered enough. Release it out. Give it a color, breathe into it, and release it out. Let go of this painful situation. Let go of this pain and let go of all the residues of the pain that got created at that time. Feel how emotionally helpless you were feeling, how low you were feeling because of this pain. Let go. Let go of this helpless feeling. Let go. Let go of all the fears that got created because of this. It's over. It ends now. Just let it go. And the people who were around you, you think when the trauma started internally before even you got to know about it, there were people around you, the people who caused pain for you, knowingly, unknowingly. Give them back. Give them back all this pain. Like a vacuum cleaner, feel that you're releasing out this pain, releasing out anything that you've taken in your body at that point. Release it out. Free yourself. You deserve a healthy, happy, and peaceful life. Keep breathing. Like a vacuum cleaner, allow the vacuum cleaner. You can also create a imaginary vacuum cleaner and allow this pain to go away from your body, from the system. It's over. And send this away up into the white light of the universe. It's over. It ends now. It's over. It ends now. Take your charge back from the people. If you like to say something to the people who has given you this pain, given you this trauma, if you feel like slapping them, scolding them, or just forgiving them, do that. But let go. And while releasing it out, while releasing these people, wherever you are back into the time, collect yourself back. Whether it is 1 year, whether it is 5 years, or whether it is more than that. Collect your past self. Free that past self from all these pains, all these traumas, all the people around you. Release out what is not needed in the body and collect this self back into you. Collect yourself back. Integrate that healthy, happy part of you that was there before the trauma and clear the trauma part of you and take back all the charge of your body, take the charge of your life, take the charge of your growth. Collect yourself back, take yourself back completely. Now integrate yourself back completely. Integrate that past yourself into your system, into your body. Again, feeling empowered, feeling the happiness and joy that it was holding before. Pain free, trauma free. There was no fear, so absolutely fearless. And there was a surety, there was a uncommitted commitment towards the self that was not spoken, but it was understood. To feel that support for yourself. Now, when you have taken back yourself and released what was not belonging to you, it's over, it ends now. Leave all your pain. See, there's a huge white ball above you. Leave all your pain, all your trauma into that white light. It's over, it ends now. Let go of the people, let go of the residues, and free yourself from this trauma. So, cut the cord of the pain from the part of the body which it is paining, cut the cord and see this trauma going away from you, where it will be recycled at it as it is needed. It's over, it ends now. Let this go. Free yourself and feel the freedom when you have released this burden, these pains, the trauma that is no more working for you. It's over. Feel the freedom. Breathe into this freedom. And while breathing in your body, feel there is a huge sunlight above you that is giving you the vibrant and happy energies. Shower into this energy and receive this sunlight inside you. With each and every breath you're taking now, allow the sunlight to empower you and to regenerate your body from all your past traumas. It's over. So bring back the regeneration, restore your health, restore your emotions, and restore your empowerment to grow and succeed the way you would like it to be. So feel this sunlight and take the energy from the sunlight, the vitality. Receive it as much as possible. Keep receiving it as much as possible. Keep feeling this as much as possible. Keep receiving this energy and allow yourself to feel very happy and joyful, taking this energy of vitality inside you. Enjoy this freedom and feel the happiness to welcome new chapters of your life, new growth of your life with ease and joy. So feel it and be with it as much as possible. Take your time. And when you feel right, only then bring back your awareness and open your eyes. Take your time and be with it as much as possible. See you again. Until then, be happy, be safe, and take care.